Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit, how you can adjust or configure a shared document in Google Drive. All you have to do now, you can open your Google Drive. Now click on Share with Me button here, and this is all the file that shared only. So here, let's tap one of the document. I'll click one of the document. Here, as you can see, you cannot edit this document because of this is in view mode only. So in order to edit this shared document, you can close your document first. You have to make a copy. So here, click three dot beside the title and click make a copy. Now you can go back to the home, and here try to search this file, the copy of your file. So you can double click again. Now the file is editable, so you can edit this file. So the point is, you need to make a copy of the shared document in order to edit it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.